Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to create a Spotify artist account in 2025 so you can upload and manage your music directly on the platform. First, head over to artists.spotify.com and click Get Access. You'll need to log in with your existing Spotify account or create a free one if you don't already have one. Next, select Artist or Manager, then search for your artist profile. If your music is already distributed through a service like DistroKid, TuneCore, or CD Baby, you'll be able to claim it. If you don't have music uploaded yet, you'll first need to release track through a distributor, since Spotify doesn't allow direct uploads. Once you've verified your profile, usually through your distributor or official social links, you'll get access to Spotify for Artists, where you can customize your profile photo, bio, social links, and track analytics. From there, you'll be able to pitch your upcoming releases to Spotify playlists and track how your audience is growing in real time. And that's it. Your artist account is now live. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.